Mabuhay! This is Dennis May T. Flores and this is my video presentation in Operational Management. Operations Management plays a vital role in every organization. It is the process of planning, organizing, and controlling activities that turn raw materials, labor, and resources into finished goods or services. Simply put, it helps a business run smoothly and efficiently. In a restaurant, operations management ensures ingredients are available, food is prepared on time, and customers are served efficiently. Effective operations management directly impacts customer satisfaction. When products arrive on time, services meet quality standards, and customers build trust. Overall, operations management helps organizations achieve their goals by improving efficiency, quality, and sustainability.